cookies.
You're gonna be my best friend.
Yay!
My favorite right here.
Awesome, I love it. I feel like we
enough.
should pinky swear.
I know, right?
So Melissa
So
Fleming
good.
Apps is bringing us these amazing, and I haven't ever presented fudge before, so I said, girl,
good.
I'm gonna dig on in.
It's amazing.
So this is Scottish fudge.
It is.
It's Miss Tilly's Scottish fudge.
That's right.
It is 2.6 pound, 3 flavor Scottish fudge gift pack. So you get 3 different flavors here, and they are individually wrapped. Is that right? Will you show us? I mean, it's incredible.
First of all, look at how beautiful. I mean, I think about this. The holiday times are upon us. How beautiful for gift giving. So this beautiful Mrs. Tilly's Gourmet Fudge box will arrive.
Yep.
You open it up, and then inside there are 3 tins.
3 tins.
This is just about 4 pounds of gourmet fudge that you've never tasted before. It goes back to the traditional, fantastic way that fudge used to be made. It is delicious. It's 6 key ingredients. It's a rich, thick, creamy, yet crumbly experience that you will just love to have for yourself or to share.
You know what? We want to show you what that looks like, but will you break one apart and then we'll talk about that footage that was shot in the factory and tell us what the flavors we're getting?
Let's start. You're going to get your Scottish fudge. You're going to get your Scottish malt whiskey fudge, and then you're also going to get your Belgian chocolate fudge. So inside the box, you're going to get 3 tins, and inside each tin, Rachel, there's 2 bags of fudge. It's a total of almost 4 pounds of fudge. So the Scottish fudge, it's your vanilla fudge, if you will. It's nice and rich and thick and creamy and crumbly. It is made rich and thick and full of butter. It has the most delicious, decadent taste. It's what all of our flavored fudge is based upon, and then we take this wonderful, delicious vanilla fudge and then we build upon it. Very key ingredients. Started with a wonderful couple, Elizabeth Peter, in their kitchen. They were really wanting that delicious fudge, that traditional fudge, because what's happening now is today, the fudge that's being made, look at that. You can also see that it's rough cut. It's not perfectly cut. So it really has that homemade texture so that you really feel that you're opening up something special. And this right here is our Scottish malt whiskey fudge. So they created this fudge, Rachel, in their kitchen with 6 key ingredients. Because what happens is the fudge that you're having today, you're enjoying 31 plus ingredients, a lot of names that you can't even understand and pronounce, but this is all natural, no preservatives. This is our Belgian chocolate fudge. Look at how delicious this is. This has wonderful Belgian chocolate that's layered in to that fantastic vanilla fudge as a base. It is like if you are a chocolate lover, this is for, isn't that amazing?
Well, I'm tasting all 3 and I'm trying to be quiet.
Amazing.
But they're incredible.
It really is.
A full, well-rounded, smooth flavor and really something special. And I know, I mean, here's my little bite mark because I was like, oh my God, I need to have
It's got your mark on it. I love it.
I need to have a little more. I think you actually have some videos showing us where this is made because, again, we're trying to bring you something special and curated.
It is. And again, this is from Scotland. I mean, look at that. There's a wonderful, beautiful landmark, that gorgeous castle. You'll see pictures of it on the tins when you get them home. Here is all those key ingredients. We are very unique in that making fudge, making traditional fudge, takes time. It needs to be a precise temperature. It needs to be a precise amount of time. There's a beautiful art to it, and it's something that Mrs. Tilly's that we've perfected. You can see right there, lots of love and care goes into each tin that's packed. It's packed by hand. It's not machine packed. I mean, it's lots of loving care. Look at all the beautiful Scotland taste that we're bringing to you.
Wow.
Perfect for the holiday season to give the gift of fudge to yourself or to someone that you love.
So this is the only order of the year. We don't have any auto delivery on this. I mean, oftentimes our food items, we have an auto delivery. This is a feature price of $44.90. It's 2 easy payments of $22.45. But again, you have the opportunity to use your Q card and put this on 3 easy payments, to break those payments down into 3 if you like to. And if you don't have a QVC card, you can sign up for one. And if you buy something, say this, for example, we will give you a couple months down the road a $25 statement credit. So that is just something to put in your back pocket. That knocks 25 bucks off this, basically, is what happens here. So it's M56430. And again, gifting, right? People are going to be gifting one another. And, you know, maybe they're going to be the folks who do some more common type gifts. But I feel like fudge is special. Fudge feels holiday-y to me.
It does.
Right? I mean, like this is the time of year. And look at these adorable tins.
Beautiful. I know. I absolutely love these.
I hate that we have them flat.
I know, and yes, you buy it, and it comes in that beautiful black gift box that I shared with you, but you can either give all 3 of the tins away as a gift, or what about you get it home and then you break it apart and then you have 3 separate gifts, these gorgeous collectible tins. And again, in each of these tins, Rachel, there are 2 bags of fudge. It's a total of just under 4 pounds with all 3 tins, and it's going to last about a year's shelf life. I mean, that's a significant amount of time.
So let me back up. When I get this, do I refrigerate it or what? You said year of shelf life.
Room temperature.
Room temperature.
Yeah,
okay.
No need.
Great.
Very simple. Again, it's because of the wonderful ingredients that we've used. And you can just see, Rachel, in that great shot, you can see that it's all very rough cut. And that's really, you know, it's going back to the importance of it being this wonderful 20-year-old family recipe that was made and perfected in the kitchen in the hills of Scotland right here. And then we've brought it, it's finally overseas. It's made it across the pond to us, so to speak.
So we're going to talk about the notes and everyone. Remember, you're getting 3 flavors here, $44.90, 2.6 pounds. 3 flavor Scottish fudge gift packs.
Amazing.
So yes, each one has their own sweet tin that you can do as well. I mean, I love that. I love the idea that they are rough cut. It feels like you went to your very personal confectioner, right? And that they were able to give you something special.
And that's absolutely the goal that Elizabeth and Peter had. You know, there's so many different fudges that are available on the marketplace today, but you know, they taste very different, and they wanted to go back to the traditional way that fudge was made. 6 basic key ingredients. You look at the ingredients, you can pronounce them all, Rachel.
Yeah.
It's all done.
So this one is our...
That is our wonderful, that's our Scottish fudge, which is our vanilla flavor. Yeah. That's right. Isn't that so good? Next to that, we have our Scottish malt whiskey fudge. My husband is a huge whiskey lover. It's his favorite. And I personally don't like whiskey, but I adore this fudge. It has this great, rich flavor to it.
A little smoky from the whiskey.
Little surprise. And then last but not least, we have our Belgian chocolate fudge. And for those of you that are chocolate lovers, it is like a chocolate party in your mouth.
You know what? And again, let me remind you, we don't have auto delivery on this. We have 1 shipment on this, and it is going to, at this feature price, and the only order of the year. So when we run out of the quantity we have, we can't get any more until 2018, and then that's it. But this is certainly a significant gift to a single person, but if you wanted to break this up into 3 distinctive gifts, you absolutely may. And each one of them, it's his own gourmand gift. Like, you're very thoughtful, and you know, somebody who's like thinking ahead, obviously, and about something special. You're not going to find this at their corner grocer.
No, special
and
unique.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Great to see you.
Nice to see you, my dear. So, you know what? It is Gourmet Holiday. And what does that mean? Well, of course, we need to have a presentation